do it.
Hey guys, this is Versatile from Project Phoenix Media. So I wanted to do a really quick PS1 update, actually, not PS2. And we're going to talk about this recent development. I'm a few days late here, but nonetheless, this is awesome. And we're going to be talking about TonyHax. TonyHax is basically, in a nutshell, where if you have a PS1, you have a Tony Hawk Pro Skater 2 or 3, and you have this save game exploit file. When you play the game and go into the name section to launch the exploit, then you can actually take out your disk, put in a burnt disk, and run it, and it works, and it's great. So what I'm going to do, we're going to do something interesting here today. We're going to actually play the original video here, and I'll try to put this at maybe like 1x speed or something like that. So let's see. And let's go full screen. So what he does here is he has a memory card, he has a copy of the game, and then the important part is how you're going to get the save game file into the PS1 memory card. So you're going to have to use, in this case, like a PS2 with uLaunchELF. I know, it sort of defeats the purpose. But once you have the save game file onto the PS1 memory card, then basically go ahead, load your game. In this instance, he's loading Tony Hawk Pro Skater 3, create a skater, and then it's going to launch the exploit, which is pretty cool. So here we go. In a second, exploit is triggered. Awesome. You take that out. And here he has a backup copy of, I think it's like the Harry Potter game. So he inserts that game next here. Yep, Harry Potter Philosopher's Stone. He puts that in, and then it will go ahead and load the game. So I think this is a pretty cool solution. If you still have a PS1 around, I do. I actually have a mod chip, but I did order a Tony Hawk Pro Skater 2 because I do want to try it out and see how well it works. And I think it's pretty cool. And I know a lot of people, yeah, we have Pop Starter for the PS2, and maybe that's a lot of hassle. So if you have a PS1, you want to do the TonyHax, you could definitely give that a try and have a lot of good times, right? So that is his video, and I think we're just about done here, basically. But if you want to learn more, I have a link in the video description. You can go to the TonyHax, orca.pet/TonyHax, read more about the write-up, how this works, more about the installation method here, right? I know he's currently working on other games, so as the time of this video recording, we have the Brunswick Circuit Pro. This is new. This was not here a couple days ago, for example. Tony Hawk Pro Skater 2, 3, and also number 4, apparently. Awesome. And then here he's working on additional games for version 1.2. So I'm sure as time goes on, we'll see more and more games being added to this list. So that's pretty awesome. And then here's the GitHub. So I have a link in the video description too. So basically how it works is you're going to go to the GitHub, download the files. It's going to be save game files, and then load up like your PS2 that's modded, hopefully. Copy over those files to a PS1 memory card, and then you can put that PS1 memory card into the PlayStation 1 there, and then load whatever game, and you should be good to go to run the exploit. So that's today's very quick PS1 news update. Like I said, once I get a copy of my own Tony Hawk Pro Skater 2, I'll do a follow-up video with a quick tutorial and showcase, yeah, this works great, and have a lot of good times. So once again, if you have any nitpicky questions, leave a comment here on the YouTube page. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.